So in last session, we learned what is SQL query, and SQL queries in Kali Linux, how we can write them. Today we will learn how to find the SQL injection. So first of all, we need to find out is application which query or which endpoint is connecting with the database. And how we do not, like, we can just guess it. Let's say there is an application and sending a query. And we have the attacker. And this is web application. If there is any query which is interacting, like you can say, like if you think maybe this query is interacting with the database, then we can try for the SQL injection. See, we can think like, okay, ID equals to 1 means application is fetching ID 1 users, and from where this will you fetch this data? So the database. And if there is application, let's say fetch some kind of product equals to, let's say, name, anything, let's say phone. So from the where this application fetch this data? From the database, because all things this related written in the database, from that application can fetch. Okay, and let's say anything, like any type of query application making to the database, we can test the SQL injection bugs there. And how we can test them? So fudge the application with the single quote, double quote, and backslash. And how we can fudge that? Like when you just give this query, let's say if there is like this ID equals to 1. So try to fudge and just give single quotation, and you can give the double quotation, and you can also try the backslash. If application throws an error, like SQL injection error or something like that, then there may be what happened to this? This is a web application, and this is the users data, fetching users data by ID parameter, and from where it is fetching from the database. So we can try to fudge there by, you can give the single quotation, double quotation, and backslash. Okay, and we will wait for the error. If application throws an error, there may be SQL injection. So you can see the normal error like SQL syntax error, or you can see like internal server error. Okay, so what we can do, like if application throw an error, we will try to fix them, because see, we don't know what's happening in the back end. So what kind of things we can use for the fixing? You can use the single quotation, you can use the double quotation, and you can use the single quotation parenthesis and double quotation parenthesis, and sometimes single quotation double parenthesis and double quotation parenthesis. Okay, and why we will use them? See how things are working in the back end. Let's see, this is the query in the front end. So how things are working in the back end? It's like this: select star from users where ID equals to 1. So this is the exact query. Okay, so and we put a this, and ID equals to, let's say they are using single quotation and they are using like this, and let's say we put single quotation there, and this will goes there, one single quotation. So what is the query there? Now this. So there are two single quotations. So because of that, this will throw an error, and I want to fix this. Other than that, what query it can be there? So let's say if and maybe let's say they are did like something name and name equals to anything. They written already a query and they are asking for this, but they written name also already in the backend. Let's say name is Ranveer. Let's say this. Okay, this is the query. So what happened? Why this? Select a star from users where ID 1 name Ranveer. So see, I put a single quotation there. So this goes there. Okay, because of that, it's throw an error like this. It can be internal server error or like this SQL syntax error nearby, like this nearby, and the ID like this. Okay, ID equals to 1, like this. You will see an error. Okay, so if you see this kind of error, next thing is you need to try to fix that. And how we can fix that? By using hyphen space hyphen. So what this will do? This will do comment out the other section, other part of the query. Let's say I use this query in the front end. This goes into the back end, and how this look like? One single quotation, hyphen space and hyphen again. So because of this, what happened? This whole part is commented. Now our query is good. See, this is our query now. Other than that, you see, if we use directly double this, because of that, see, our query is disturbed. You see, there are three single quotation. We need to fix that. And sometimes you can also use double single quotation. See, I use this, then this go there, and this. So this will become one part, and this will other. Okay, but most of the time we will use this. See, so this is one type. So currently we know they are using the parameter in the single quotation. Sometimes maybe they can use this double quotation. See, let's say in the back end they are using the double quotation. So this won't work there, because see, if goes we will use one single quotation hyphen. So this goes there, and this looks like one hyphen space hyphen. So what happened? This is commented out. Okay, and see, this is not okay, because in this side we have double quotation, this is single quotation. So this time we need to use the double quotation. So we don't know what application using in the backend, so we will go one by one. We will try to do this single quotation hyphen, then double quotation hyphen, single quotation parenthesis hyphen. So we use all of them one by one. So if anyone fix the query, then we will find out, okay, this is the query in the backend. Let's say this is not working there. I find out, okay, then I will use the double quotation. I send this there, and this queries look like this. One quotation hyphen space. So this part is commented out, or this is the query. Now this is okay. But let's say next time application using like this, parenthesis single quotation, one parenthesis this, and same here, parenthesis quote, and this. So how we can fix this? We can fix this one quotation and this hyphen space this. So this goes there, one single quotation hyphen. Okay, our query is this. Okay, this is already there, and our query one single quotation hyphen space hyphen. See, okay, not parenthesis also. See, this is the query. This goes there. This part is commented out, and now this query will run there. Okay, so this is fixing, and fixing is very important. It's a kind of like, see, I think we learned, everyone you know about like how we fix the queries in XSS. So same thing, we are fixing this, and we are in XSS, we are fixing things in the JavaScript. In this we are fixing in the SQL, structured query language. Okay, so both are language, we are just fixing. Okay, and let's say, wait a minute. starting MySQL server. We are connected and I want to see the databases. Show databases. These are the databases. Use bug hunting. Okay. We are now in bug hunting student. Now show tables. So these are two tables. Let's start from December batch. Okay, let's write a query. Select in December batch where ID is 200 and name is error. Okay, December batch. Okay, typing thing is not going properly today. See, ID is 200, name attenda. Okay, yeah, we need to fetch this. Why? Maybe we are giving this string. So let's remove this string. It is same. Why we are not getting everything? Select from star from December.
Attenda is wrong. Spelling mistake.
Okay.
Name attenda.
Yeah. Okay. That is the thing. Attenda. Yeah, typing is not going well today. Yeah, see, we are fetching this. See, let's say there is a login on an application and which is using ID and name, and we are checking the SQL injection on ID parameter, and most probably they will use this. See, ID. See, they are using single quotation. So if we are attacking on this, so see, this is the query. Same query. So this is also same. So select start from star from users, and we are attacking on ID parameter. So this is the fixing. Like sometimes, see, currently we are using single quotation. We can use this double quotation for this. We can use this single quotation parenthesis. We can use double quotation parenthesis. Sometimes you will see this also single quotation double parenthesis, double quotation double parenthesis. Okay, so we'll use accordingly. And sometimes this hyphen space is not working, then what you can use, you can also use the this. Okay, hash. And other than that, okay, if this is also not working, then we can also use the this /star and this. So this is also like, see, we are using the commenting out. We want to commenting out the other part of the query. So you can use hash hyphen space and this also. Okay. So, and other than that, see, this is for the normal application. And let's say application do not show like any kind of error. Like, see, we can do all these things if application throw the error. Sometimes application don't throw the error. So what we can do, we can use the Boolean based SQL injection there. We can try out like if we do the true query, then what we are getting, and if we give the false query, that what we are getting. So what we can do there, let's say this same application there, and let's say this time application is not throwing an error. I give the single quotation, and there is everything is in single quote now. See, so I give this single quote, nothing is there. So what I can do, like I can add 1 equals to 1. 1 equals to 1, and after that directly fix this. See, and other query is, see, we will give 2 query, like one is this and other is this. Users ID 1, and next other query is 1 equals to 2 and hyphen this. So see, if you see different result in this different result, from that we can understand if we using the true query, then we are getting the different result. If we are getting the false query, then we are getting the different result. From that we can also exploit, and we can use the, after that we can use the SQL injection. Like if you are find out, okay, application using the different things in there, and application using different there, then we can use the SQL injection after that. Okay, finding. So this is that, just we are using these things for just finding. After finding, you can use the SQL injection. Okay, and for time based, so time based, we can use this wait kind of thing, like wait sleep, like sleep 10. Okay, like this, and okay, again and again this. Next is fixing the query. We already done this.